Scary hidden ingredient in protein powder you need to know. One study shows how many protein powders have traces of these creepy toxins. Protein powder has a positive reputation. Between the benefits of getting more protein in your diet to the extent that protein affects your muscles after workout, the use of protein powder in smoothies and even baked goods has increased significantly. But if you're not careful about the protein powders you re-buying, you could consume unsafe ingredients. And if you are watching Rich Flava for the first time, hit the subscribe and bell button to get all our updates. According to a study conducted by the Clean Label Project, many of these protein powders tested for high levels of toxin, including heavy metals, out of 134 of the top-selling protein powder products tested. They detected 70% of protein powders had lead in it, 74% had cadmium levels detected, and 55% had BPA levels detected, which are used to make plastics. Arsenic has also been detected in these protein powders. Before assuming the type of protein powder that detected amounts of lead, take a further look at their research. In fact, the Clean Label Project found that plant-based protein powders were worse in terms of the detected levels of heavy metals, 75% of which were tested positive, as well as protein powders considered organic. Certified organic protein powder products had an average of 2 times as many heavy metals as non-organic products tested. While children are at a much higher risk of experiencing serious health hazards from toxins such as lead and cadmium, this does not stop them from being hazardous to anyone's health. One study shows that lead in the bloodstream can actually cause neurological disorders such as brain damage, mental retardation, behavioral problems, nerve damage, and possibly Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and schizophrenia. Lead exposure can also cause genotoxic effects in the brain, bone marrow, liver, and lungs. Cadmium also has a serious effect on human health and is likely to cause a more alarming toxin. One study shows how it disrupts the digestive system, the respiratory system, and causes organ damage. These contaminants are bad for the body because they can build up over time and accumulate for years to come. There is some evidence to suggest that the buildup of these contaminants may have adverse effects over time. These substances are very dangerous and can be linked to cancer, brain damage and reproductive problems at high levels. Where the toxins come from? How do protein powders get such high levels of toxin? According to Harvard Health, this has to do with soil toxins. Plant-based proteins usually come from soya and hemp, while proteins come from milk or egg. Because plant-based protein relies on soil when it is grown, according to Consumer Reports, these plants are prone to absorb heavy metals from the soil. Even if a certified organic product claims to be organic, organic fertilizers have been tested for heavy metals in it. Animal manure is a popular organic fertilizer, as are sewage sludge biosolids, which, according to a study by Colorado State University, may contain heavy metal contaminants due to repeated use of fertilizers. How to know which protein powder to buy. Although the Clean Label Project has identified some of the best and worst protein powders to buy, not all protein powders on the current market have gone through the screening process. So is it supposed to know if their protein powder is safe? The best thing to do is take a look at the product's website and look for any transparent information they have about what is actually in their product. For example, IQ Bars has an extensive page about their products and dives into every ingredient so you can know what's in your bars. At the end of the day, it is very difficult to find products that are completely free of these substances. When comparing products, you should just look at which ones stack up against each other and have the lowest level of contaminants based on research by third parties, such as the Clean Label Project. Interestingly, organic pollutants did not have lower levels than non-organic, according to their research. Mazur says the quality of the protein powder really matters, and if you're looking for one that you can trust, let's get away from comparing prices right now. Often you pay for what you get. The more expensive the product is, the higher the quality it usually does. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumb up and tell us what do you think in the comment section. For more info, check the links in the description below. See you next video.